Hi Escambia County teachers, and welcome to another Bite of Tech. Today's topic, how to update attendance from a previous day using Focus version 12. Let's get started. In this example, you'll notice we have an alert at the top of the screen indicating that you cannot take attendance for period 6L since the period does not start until 11:58 a.m. This is a part of our new district attendance settings that limit you from taking attendance prior to the start of class. However, since we are updating a previous day's attendance in this example, we can disregard this message. You're going to want to click the X next to the current date, then adjust the prior day's attendance as needed and save. Be mindful when modifying attendance from previous days. You can only change your attendance as far back as 5 days. If you are teaching at a school that uses rotations, you'll notice some dates are blank with no dots or dashes on the Take Attendance screen. Those are days your class does not meet, so you will not have the ability to take or update attendance for these days. You may also notice other alerts related to rotation days on the Take Attendance screen. These alerts are meant for current day attendance only and does not impact your ability to modify attendance. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more, check out our recommended videos on the side, and be sure to subscribe to be notified when the latest videos are released.